Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining today. In this video, we'll learn how to change your email address in the Travelocity app. Sometimes you may need to update your contact information, especially if you've switched to a new email provider. First, open the Travelocity app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Then, in the Account section, tap on Profile. After that, select the option labeled Email and Password. Now you'll see a field where your current email is displayed. Tap on the email field and enter your new email address carefully. Below that, retype your new email in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typing mistakes. Then, once you've entered both fields correctly, tap on the Save button to update your email information. That's it. You've successfully changed your email address in the Travelocity app,